Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Wix Studio for logo and typography controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wix Studio website. Locate the option to log in or create an account. If you already have a Wix account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to Wix, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. After logging in or creating your account, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Wix Studio option in the menu. Click on Wix Studio to explore its features. Find the section related to logo and typography controls. Review the available options for subscribing to Wix Studio. Choose the subscription plan that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to add your payment information. Confirm your subscription by reviewing the terms and conditions. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Wix Studio dashboard to access logo and typography controls. Begin creating and customizing your logo and typography settings. Explore the tools available to enhance your design. Enjoy the flexibility and creative options that Wix Studio offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.